Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to install Adobe fonts in Elementor. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the Adobe fonts website, and I already know the name of the font that I want to install. It's called Avenir. So I'm going to click on this search here, and I'm going to search for Avenir, and then we can click on this Avenir result, and this will take you to the page about this font. And once you've decided on the font that you want to install in Elementor, you can click on this Add to Web Project button at the top, and then you need to click on this Create or Add to an Existing Project drop down, and then click on Create a New Project, and then you need to type in the name of your project here. Normally I just call this the name of the website that I'm using the font on, but in this case I'm just going to call it tutorial for the purposes of this video. And then down here you can select and deselect the font styles and weights that you want to install on the website. So once you've done that, you're going to want to go down to the bottom right and click on the Create button. So now the project is created, and now you need to go and click on Edit Project, and this will bring you to a page with all of your projects on it. And you can see at the top we've got our tutorial project, and from here you can also edit your project. So again, you can select and deselect the font styles and weights that you want to be active. So once you've done that, you're going to want to come up to the project ID, and this is what we need to make the font work in Elementor. You're going to want to copy the part after project ID. You need to then go to the back end of your website, and you want to hover over Elementor and then click on Settings, and then click on the Integrations tab at the top, and then scroll down on the page until you find Adobe Fonts Typekit, and this field here is where you want to paste your project ID. And once you've done that, you need to click on Get Project ID, and that will then install the font on your website. So now on the front end of my website in the editor, I'm going to select this heading here and then click on Style, and then go into your typography options. Then you're going to want to click on the Family drop down, and then under the Adobe Fonts Typekit heading you will see the Avenir font, which you can then select, and that is now active on this heading. So I hope this video has been useful. Please check out my other videos on the screen now. Remember to like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.